If you want easy access to your hair tools and to keep them tangle-free, then you're going to love this hair tool organizer from Bollmisde, just like I do. Hey guys, I'm Rebecca with WTI, and this is one of those simple finds that makes such a huge difference. It's designed to hold multiple tools like your hair dryer, curling iron, flat iron, and brushes, and it has a clean, modern look that fits perfectly into any space. It keeps all your hot tools organized all in one place, so no more tangled cords or cluttered drawers. What I love most is just how easy it is to install. You get two options depending on your setup. The adhesive mounting for a quick, renter-friendly solution, or screw mounting for something more secure and permanent. Everything you need is included, so there's no extra purchases needed. And the setup is super straightforward either way. It's also heat resistant, which means you can safely put your tools away even when they're still warm. This is such a game changer when you're always in a rush. So if you're tired of messy drawers and tangled cords, then this organizer is definitely worth it. And that's my point of view.